Hi everybody, so we're here today. We're going to give you a little demo on our new sliding display that we have. As you can see here, it is on the E-track and it slides out from the wall rather easily. And we do have the torque wrench, we have the air tools on here, so in this unit they can hold up to 300 pounds. So we can slide it back in. They're very versatile, very interchangeable. We have it here where you can put, just if you wanted to put sockets on it, you've got your trays, your sockets. And if you want, you can actually, we have little storage trays that you can put on. So you can just pretty easily slide that on there and you can just slide that back into place. It also holds pliers, and we have wrenches. And we have this going, so you can, however you need to change it up, whatever your display wants to be, you have that available to you. Also holds the knives we have here. So yes, we are going to have a special on these at the show for $345, and we look forward to seeing everybody. Thank you.